The new Acura MDX is driven beyond. It's simply the most premium, performance-focused, and technologically advanced SUV in Acura history. Step 1. With the tailgate open and while carrying the key fob, press the walk-away close button located in the rear cargo area. The indicator on the button will turn green when walk-away close is activated. Step 2. Walk at least 3 feet away within 30 seconds to automatically close the tailgate. Some exterior lights flash and a beeper will sound. Step 3. To have the MDX automatically lock when the walk-away closed tailgate closes, activate the automatic locking function. By default, this function is deactivated. To enable it, go to Settings, select Vehicle, select Keyless Access Setup, select Walk-Away Auto Lock, and then select Enable. When the auto lock function is enabled, only the key fob that was used to unlock the driver's door prior to the setting change can activate auto lock. Also, keep in mind there are several vehicle conditions which will prevent the auto lock function from operating. The auto lock function will not operate when the keyless access remote is inside the vehicle, when a door, tailgate, or the hood is not closed, when the power mode is set to any mode other than off, and when the keyless access remote is more than 5 feet from the vehicle when the doors and tailgate are closed.